I'm going to blow up the microwave because this microwave sucks. Yes. I did it. Oh no.
Kenneth, I can't believe you blow up the microwave. That costs too expensive. Now we're going to buy a new one thanks to you. That's it. You're grounded until March. Go to bed.
Wow 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 wow.